Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so every time I upload, you'll be able to see a video by me. Okay, so it is 10:30. I started at 10, wasn't getting any good batches or any good DoorDash orders, but I finally caught a batch. I'm gonna put it right here because I really don't remember how much it was for or whatever. But I know it's a few items only going 4 miles, and I think it's either $30 or $40. Okay, so we're about to go into the Costco and get this day started. Alright guys, so I just accepted another Costco order. It's for $50. Only thing is going 14 miles, so that's the sucky part about it. But I already went shopping and I'm gonna load it in the car. Alright guys, so I dropped the Costco order off, and now what I'm gonna do is turn on DoorDash and see what's going on over there. Keep both apps open. I'm at 101. The first order I did, one of the customers like tipped me more money, so that first batch went to $50, and then this batch was $50, so I'm at 102. So the goal for Monday is 150, so I got to make $48 more, so that's why I'm just turning on DoorDash, because yeah, like, why wait for a batch when I could be, you know, making the money, and then if I see a batch, great. But yeah, so let's see what's going on with DoorDash. Alright guys, so I just accepted a double order on DoorDash after declining about 10. But this one is finally a decent one. It's for $12.25, 2 orders. For 2 customers. One is for Panera Bread, the other one is for Red Lobster. So let's go get these orders. Alright guys, those last 2 orders ended up almost doubling, so I think I'm at 21 with that last order that was supposed to be 12. It's like 21. I'm gonna put it in the screen though, so that way you guys can actually see like how much it actually came to. So now I'm just off back en route to the area that I like to be in for DoorDash, and let's see what else we get. Alright guys, so I just accepted another order. It is for $6.75 Chipotle. Guys, so guess what? So I just got not Instacart, a DoorDash order for GameStop. I've seen it before, but I never took it. But I took it this time. I'm like, you know what? I'm a little curious about this. It's paying $9.50, 6 miles, so it's like, but I really want to see how this is gonna work. Let's go, guys. Let's go to GameStop. So look, guys, since we don't have bags in New Jersey, they had to put it in a box. Well, alrighty, let's go. Alright guys, so while I'm waiting in traffic, I actually just got another orders from Papa John's. I believe it's for like $8. I'm gonna put it in the screen, but I want to tell you guys about what happened with the GameStop delivery. Okay, I didn't realize, well, I did realize the customer was in New Brunswick, but I really don't like going to New Brunswick. All right, but I said, hey, it looks like this customer is in the house, it should be easy. No, they was in one of those tall apartment story things or whatever, and I couldn't get inside the door. I finally get in contact with the customer, and oh my god, it's this big old truck by me, and it's giving me claustrophobic vibes, and I'm not even claustrophobic. Please get away from me, please. Okay, sorry. But yeah, so finally I get in contact with the customer. He's trying to explain to me how to work his little code system thing. It was just a mess. I couldn't find parking. It was just New Brunswick. And I know all of you guys might not be from Jersey, so just imagine a miniature Manhattan, New York. Yeah, that's what New Brunswick is, okay? You can make a lot of money with DoorDash in New Brunswick because it's always busy. The colleges is there and everything like that. But when it comes to parking and going to those campuses and trying to find them kids and trying to get to the people apartments, and they all in them tall apartments, ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So I survived. But let's go get this Papa John's order. Alright guys, so I hit my goal of 150 at 5:30, so I'm pretty much done. I'm in the mood though to like keep dashing. Like, it's like my blood is like pumping, you know what I mean? Like, that's what that music be doing to me though. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep going. Right now I'm actually in a parking lot at ShopRite because I don't know if I want to take an Instacart order or not. But if I do keep going, I'm gonna put the totals in this video. If I don't keep going, whoop-de-doo, I hit my goal. So I will see you guys later. I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope you guys are having a great day, morning, noon, night, evening, whenever you are watching this video. I hope it's great, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.